Hi guys, welcome to another exciting episode of your favorite entertainment gist corner. Let's get started guys. So earlier this week, ex-PP Niger housemates Saga and Nini were seen in a video where Saga proposed to his lover Nini. In the video, Saga was seen kneeling down to propose to Nini and she accepted the ring and kissed after everyone congratulated them. Days later, Saga then came out on a radio program to say all that happened in the video was a skit, and netizens were so furious that after they've done finish, you're now coming out to say it was a skit. Still this week, this same Saga came out on Arise TV to say the proposal wasn't a skit. At this moment, we're all confused about this proposal of a thing. Let's wait for Nini to come and tell her part of the story, cause nothing wey Musa no go see forget. Moving on guys, controversial crossdresser Bobrisky has come out to reveal he regrets falling out with his friend Tonto Dike. Well, we're expecting them to come back together and give us that bestie vibes. Moving on guys, our personal person Davido has received his gold certificate on the plaque for his 2017 hit song Fall. Congratulations to him and his DMW crew. Moving further guys, Nigerian comedian Basketmouth has confirmed the separation between himself and his wife. Basketmouth had initially made this announcement in December 2022 when he took to his social media page to declare the 12 years marriage with Elsie is over. Many who found this news too hard to believe dismissed it as a joke. Still on entertainment gist, gospel artist Mercy Chinwo has been spotted with a baby bump in a project unveiling video, though she hasn't come out to make any official statements. Recall that she got married late last year and now she's pregnant. Moving on to the movies. The movie of this week is Gangs of Lagos. This is the most talked about movie in the past few days and it has gathered lots of positive reviews. Although the Lagos state government and the Isaleko indigenes have both come out to react to the movie, saying it portrayed a bad interpretation of their culture. Well, we hope things go well. Also, Nigerian actress Abiola Adebayo and her husband have welcomed their first child through surrogacy after he failed IVF. Congratulations to the union. Looking further, ex-PP Niger Angel Smith has just acquired a brand new customized G-Wagon. The God that did this for Angel should locate us too, cause every day these celebrities are just oppressing us with their doings. Well, that'll be all for this week. Do not forget to watch our previous episode and then subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more mouth-watering entertainment gist. See you all next week. Bye and stay blessed.